Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to add Shopify to your TikTok bio. So with this tutorial, you'll be able to set up your shop on TikTok. So let's open TikTok and then go to our profile. And then as you can see here, I can edit my profile. So let's do that. And then go to your bio. But here you actually can't paste links. So we're gonna have to go to account and then go to switch to business account. So if you switch to that, the edit profile button will have an option that says business or your website, and then you can basically paste your Shopify link to that little text box. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.